drama-free, stress-free, judgment-free zone where we are going to be unboxing a brand new subscription box to our channel. It's called BellaSkin box. It was sent to me complimentary to review for you guys, so thank you to BellaSkin box for sending this over. You guys, I did take a little sneak peek and you definitely want to stick around for this. So like I said, this is a judgment-free, drama-free, and stress-free zone where we always 100% embrace the hot mess. So hopefully this is a channel for you where we can just have a good old time talking about makeup and remembering it's just makeup, it washes off, it's truly, really, totally not that serious. Anyways, a little bit about BellaSkin box. I am directly on their site, which I will have linked below for you guys, plus a $5 coupon code. Like I said, this was sent to me complimentary to review. And the BellaSkin box, it says if you subscribe today, you'll get the $5 off and you will receive up to $150 worth of product in here for only $35 a month, and it is free shipping. So let's go ahead and jump right in. Okay, first of all, I love pink, so love that. So we will see it is packaged perfectly. Bubble wrap, all of that, and these fun little doodads. Anyways, we do get a nice little card in here. It tells us a little bit about each item in here. And I do want to mention, it does say on their site that each BellaSkin box is filled with cruelty-free skincare products and beauty tools. We will bring a variety of different brands each month with full-size products to help you discover the many ways that you can enhance your skin care regimen, which you guys know I am way into and obsessed with skincare. I love to try out all different kinds of skincare all the time. Okay, so the first thing that I see in here, and I was so super excited about this because I hear Coffee Break with Danny talk about these quite often, or I believe these are what she talks about. These are organic, biodegradable, vegan, after spa, reusable cotton makeup removers. Look at this, guys. So these, like I said, these are by After Spa. They're reusable makeup remover pads. They do have a retail value of $10, and it says it removes up to 100% of the most difficult makeup with the help of these extra soft texture removable fabric with, you only use water? What? Obviously I haven't been into them yet. I was really excited about this. Okay, first of all, it comes in a really cute little bag, so I would say that this would be great for wash sheets. You don't have to worry about like it sneaking off. Oh yeah, this is really nice. I'm excited to try these. I'm wondering not only to like remove your makeup, but in my head I feel like it kind of makes sense to put like maybe some toner in there, and you could like do it that way as well. I don't know, I will be trying that, but I was really excited to see that in here. They are machine washable. It says, or like I said, remove makeup with just water. And this is a little laundry bag. Moving into the next thing that I got into. Okay, this is the Coca-Cola Skin Cure Candle. This, the ingredients of this candle are coconut wax, hemp extract, and botanical extracts. So this smells so, as if you got, here, like we have smell-o-vision or something over here. Oh gosh. Guys, I fell down the rabbit hole of Vanderpump Rules. I don't even know what happened. My husband was like, we were looking for something to watch. I love reality TV. If you guys are new to my channel, I have ADHD. I'm eating carbs again, so I'm taking left-hand turns, right-hand turns, and I might be able to swing it back around and focus again. I don't know. There's no guarantee, but fortunately, this is a judgment-free zone. And anywho, Hubs and I were sitting on the couch, and he's like, you want to watch this? And I was like, yeah, sure, it's reality TV, like who doesn't like that? We started it like not even a week ago, season 1. I'm about to start on season 4, and I literally was like, Rhonda, you can watch one more show and then you have to go down and film a video. You guys, the struggle is real. I'm addicted. It's amazing. I can't get enough of it. Okay, back to this. If you guys are up to season 8, don't tell me anything about it. Like I said, I'm still on season 3, about to start season 4. I want to hear blah, 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 blah. But if you have reality TV shows, recommendations, leave them down below, because you guys know, even though things are starting to open up here, your girls still don't leave the house. Okay, so this Coco Cana Skin Cure Candle has a retail value of $35. It says wrap yourself in a restorative cocoon. Feel the flutter cocoa butter kiss that is the Coco Cana Skin Cure Candle. Infused with CBD and botanical oils and a creamy coconut wax. Create a soothing remedy with peace and body and all kinds of goodness. I have to say, it smells like my man. It smells delicious. I really like it. So, really excited to, maybe I'll put it back here. Just have like relaxation, zen type of deal. So far, just these 2 items, we're already up to $45. Like I said, this box is $35. And you're getting cruelty-free skincare and like things to try out. As always, you guys know what I say about subscription boxes. Keep an open mind when you get things to try out. What is this? Okay, so the next thing is in a nice like glass jar. This is called the Tropical Naturals. Ooh, it's a clay facial mask made with love. So I think it's one of these things. It's powder. I should probably be showing you guys. Forgot. I'm such a professional YouTuber. Okay, so this is the little jar. Let me show you guys real quick the candle because I totally got sidetracked. But look how nice the candle is. There you go. I was gonna show you guys. That's what I was gonna do. I started to show you guys to have you guys smell it, but obviously that's not gonna work out. So a little bit about this. It says mix 1 to 2 teaspoons of clay with enough water of your favorite liquid. I will tell you guys, if you guys like these kind of products where you mix a little bit of water, or if you want a little bit stronger, you could go with like a little bit of a diluted organic apple cider vinegar. Really good with these masks. So it says create a thin paste, avoid the eye area, apply to damp skin that is already cleansed, and leave mask on for about 10 minutes or until it's almost dry. Do not let mask fully harden. I love these kind of things. Like I said, I think it's called like a bentonite clay type of thing. And when my skin is like over the top, I like to put a little bit of organic apple cider vinegar. So I'm excited to try this out. And again, a little bit about this. The clay facial mask has a retail value of $33. Again, box is only $35. Indulge in our clay facial mask created with a custom blend of clays and botanical extracts that will leave your skin feeling smooth, cleansed, and glowing. This mask gently exfoliates the skin, helps clear out blocked pores, and is filled with beneficial vitamins and nutrients for the skin. I love this because one thing that I have noticed is my skin needs a really good grit cleaning, you know what I mean? So I've been way into doing facial masks and things like this, so really excited to do a clay mask. And it's really like bougie. These are like bougie products. Okay, so I saw this in here. I was excited about this. This is called the Dirty Lamb Rose Petal is what I'm trying to say. Toner. It's a refreshing facial mist. It's mist. Dude, I'm like really excited to get back up there and watch a little bit of Vanderpump Rules. It's so bad. That Stassi girl, she's like this sassy little thing. My husband's like, you guys remind me of, like, she reminds me of you. And I'm like, I don't know if that's a good thing or a bad thing. Anyways, the Rose Petal Toner is a refreshing facial mist. It's natural, vegan, cruelty-free, and I have to smell it because I love rose scent. Honestly, it's not overly like rose scented. It's almost like a witch hazel scent with like maybe a splash. It says it is created by distilling rose petals that is more than just a hydrating mist. Aloe vera moisturizes to soothe irritated skin. The luxurious smell of rose petals to... Okay, hold on. Maybe I didn't... Let's see here. Yeah, I can smell the rose petal, but it smells really natural and clean, but the rose is not like a punchy fake rose scent, you know what I mean? It's like a natural type of, well, I mean, obviously it does say it is natural and vegan, Rhonda. Anyways, let's move along. It does have a retail value of $27. This is like really nice stuff. Okay, moving right along, we have the Aqua Aura This is an eye cream by Earth Harbor, and it does have a retail value of $34. It's formulated with powerhouse botanicals to help slow down the signs of aging under and around the eye area, such as fine lines, wrinkles, dark circles, puffiness, and sun damage. Love that. So there you go. So this is what the box looks like, and I forgot to show you guys. Here's what the rose spray looks like. Do you like my nails too? I've been polishing my nails again too. Welcome to the Hot Mess Express, where we just embrace it. Okay, so ooh, look at that. That's fun. Ooh, and it's so it smells good too. It smells really earthy and natural. It's like a really nice, almost like a cooling gel sensation. I like that. I will definitely be using that. I feel like if I put it in my little fridge too, it'll be even more depuffing. I don't know, just it sounds good in my head anyway. And the last item is again by Dirty Lamb, which we did see. What did we see? That was the rose spray. This is a Lip Rocks natural, cruelty-free, vegan, unisex. Let's see. Oh, it's made in Akron, Ohio. This looks like a lip scrub, and it's got a little doodad on it. Let's take that off. Ooh, it has a really nice, like, almost like a pepperminty kind of smell maybe. Let me show you guys an up close. I'm now being texted from my children asking for food. Love that for us. So this is what it looks like, and you do get a really good size of this, and it does say it is, wait, is that on here? I think this is not on here, guys. Eye cream, check. Facial mask, check. Rose toner, check. After spa makeup remover pads, check. And the candle. Oh, this is like an extra little thing that we got in here. Wow. Okay, so this is like I said, a lip exfoliator. It doesn't have a price on here, but it is a very, very good size. I would say this is 100% full size, not like deluxe sample size by any means. It's 1 fluid ounce, and like I said, it smells really nice. It's got a pepperminty type of scent to it, and you can see the grit in there. So I will definitely be using this. One thing that I have found that helps me remember to use my lip scrubs is I plop one in the shower or in my bath, so I have it sitting on the shelf so I can just grab and do a nice little lip exfoliation. And I will say it has the grit, but you can almost feel that the moisture underneath it, you know, or the hydration underneath it. Very, very similar to like the Fresh scrubs, you know, for your lips. That's the one I have in my shower right now, but this will be going in there as well. It's not an overpowering scent or anything like that. So I have to say this is the first box that I've ever received from them, and honestly, I would definitely pick this up. I love it. I feel like this is just not only like bougie and fancy, but it seems to be really good quality products for $35. It says the value of this May box is $139, and honestly, we got an extra product in here as well. So I feel like it's closer to that like $150 mark that it talks about on the website. So again, huge thank you to BellaSkin Box for sending this over. I definitely like it. I think that if you guys pick this up, whether it be for yourself or a gift, I mean, birthdays are coming up. We just had Mother's Day. I mean, this is something to definitely keep in mind for gifts, because this is an amazing gift, whether it be a bridal gift, baby shower, new mom gift. Like, there's a lot of things, guys. And I will say, a lot of these products say unisex on there, so this can be for your men too. You guys could have like a little stay-at-home date night or something and enjoy these products. So definitely something to think about. Like I said, thank you so much to BellaSkin Box for sending this over. I have to say, customer service is absolutely amazing with them. We've been in correspondence for probably a couple weeks now, and they have just been really nice to work with. So this video is not sponsored or anything like that, but we have, like I said, been in communication, talking back and forth regarding this box and everything. So I feel really comfortable telling you guys that I think you'd be really happy if you did check out this box. So $35, free shipping. Let me know down below if you are already a customer of BellaSkin Box. Let me know your thoughts. Are the boxes this amazing every single month? Because I'm am quite pleased. I am extremely pleased. So I'm hopping off for now. I'm gonna get some tea, make my kids some lunch, and then I'm gonna go back upstairs and watch a little bit more of the Vanderpump Rules, because it's pretty good. I love that stuff. Okay guys, hope you enjoyed this video enough to become part of the family. Subscribe, turn on that notification bell. I'd love to have you guys follow me over on Instagram too. I'm over on Twitter and TikTok as well, HotmessMomma04, but I'm really trying to grow my Instagram following. So if you guys would hop over there and follow me over there, greatly appreciated. Like I said, follow me over here, turn on that notification bell, and I upload 5 days a week over here, Monday through Friday, so there's always something over here to watch. I think I'm almost at like 750 or 60 some videos, so there's a lot of me. There is a lot of me over here if you get a little bored. Anyways guys, until next time, as always, I hope you have a wonderful, beautiful, and blessed day. Kisses from Kentucky. Mwah!